Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how you can pass your Amazon prices directly to your other stores or even your own website using Repricer's multi-channel replicator feature. We support dozens of platforms including Shopify, Walmart, eBay, and many more. Let's create a replicator from the multi-channel section and give it a name that's easy and recognizable. Then, we need to determine our variance, which is the price difference between Amazon and the store we're sending it to. We'll set it to 5 cents cheaper on our web store, but you can set it however you like and even set it to be a percentage difference instead. Next, we need to choose the source and destination channels. The source channel can be any Amazon channel linked to your account, while the destination channel is the channel we want to send our prices to. If you haven't yet added a destination channel that can be used, you can do that in the channel section. The auto link option here allows Repricer to detect and automatically link your Amazon SKUs if they're the same on both channels. Next, we'll move on to the link review page, where we can manually link any source and destination SKUs together that might not have been matched automatically. The page will also show you what variance is being used product by product. Earlier in our setup, we set an automatic variance, but it can be set on a product basis as well. If we want to match a destination SKU, simply add the correct source SKU beside it. To make things easier, you can search and filter your SKUs to isolate specific ones that you want to edit, or even change some of the columns that are displayed. You can also use the Remove Price Variance option to set all products back to the default variance. If you have a large number of products, we'd recommend downloading a CSV template from here, where you can link your products. This template will already include all of your products and any matched up destination and source SKUs, as well as any changed variances. We also include the option to set a min-max for this replicator only. Don't worry about leaving this blank. If you do, we'll automatically use the source channel's min-max instead. At this point, all you need to do is add source SKUs or change the variance. Once you're done with the edits, save your file and re-import it back into Repricer. When you're happy with the settings, save your replicator. It will then be triggered automatically whenever there's a price change on your source marketplace. We will then pass this information periodically to your destination marketplace. When setting up your replicators, you can use the same source as many times as you'd like. However, each destination can only have one. If you're using eBay repricing, we would normally recommend not using the eBay replicator at the same time to avoid any potential conflict in repricing strategies. Now you're ready to use Repricer's multi-channel replicator feature. If you need a recap on the basics of Repricer, please feel free to see previous videos in this playlist. And if you haven't started your trial yet, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required, or you can get in touch to book a demo. Thanks for watching.